Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video is going to be my project 10 uses update number 1. So if you guys are interested for the progress of this project pen, then just keep on watching. So today I wanted to share with you guys what are the products I did finish the usage goal, and yeah, let's go started. First, I have in here is the Hipdot Moon Queen face palette, and this is how it looks like. The packaging, it is very nice, and it does have 2 blushes here and 3 highlighters and 1 bronzer. For this one, I did use this one 3 times as of now, so I still have to put this in this project 10 uses. The next product I have in here, it is the Mcgrath Rose Decadence. This one, it is the 6 pen eyeshadow palette, and this one as of now I only use it 3 times. I use this one like an everyday makeup look, especially this candy peach or rosy matte here, and then top it with this one right here. And the next product I have in here, it is from Too Faced. This is their Sun Bunny bronzer. This one I did use it exactly 10 uses, so this one I have to rolling out. So this is how it looks like now. This year I wanted to hit pan on this one. I feel like this one is from my previous 10 uses project pen, or my project pen last year, the main one. Right now it still keep going. It does have a little bit of usages here, but yeah, it looks like the same thing as the Rimmel London bronzer I have. So these ones are like kind of competing which one I'm going to hit pan first. And the next product I have on this project pen, it is the Laura Mercier loose powder. At first I don't like using this powder. It feels like it is very kind of more powdery side, but later on my under eyes looks like very smooth, and I use this one all over my face, underneath of my eyes. And I got this one as a gift for my birthday, like the Sephora gift set, birthday gift set. And this one I did use this one 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21 times. So it doubled up the usages of the main goal of this project. I feel like I can finish this one this year, and I am planning to buy the regular size of this loose powder because I enjoy using this one. So yeah, right now I just need to finish this one, and then in the fall, if I have the Rouge member still on Sephora, I will buy the regular size of this loose powder because it is really nice. The next product I have in here is from the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I have in a dewy finish, and it is the golden beige shade. For now, I did use this one for 4 times, so I still have 6 times left until I meet the goal for this foundation. The next one though, it is very nice usages. Usually I use a lot of concealer, that's why my concealer and my lip oils are the ones have most use on my project pens. So this one, it is from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. As of now, I have the what do you call this, the line here, because I left this one like standing up in my table the other day, and now I have left products here. This one I did use this one for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28 times, 28 uses, because I use this one for my base of my eyelids, and then I use this one to lighten up or conceal my under eyes, which is really nice, like conceal the redness on the surface of my nose. That's why I use this a lot, and I feel like I'm going to put this concealer on my new project pen on my TikTok. If you guys wanted to follow me on my TikTok, I'm trying my best to build up my TikTok account. It is the says0429. It's the same thing as my Instagram what do you call the handle? My Instagram handle also, it is at says CEZZ0429. It is at says CEZZ0429, and my TikTok is the same thing at CEZZ0429. So yeah. So now I'm going to put this one on my TikTok project pen. I'm going to put the project pen maybe in the first day or first May, like May 1st. The next product I have in here is the Shop Miss A Sculpting Brow Pencil. I did use this one for 10 uses. So I met the goal for using this one. And I still have that left, like much left, which is nice because I love this triangular sculpting brow pencil. And I feel like I have in the shade dark brown. As of now, this one, it is sold out. And Shop Miss A have different kinds of brown pencil. So I'm going to plan to try those out. But for now, I have to rolling out this sculpting brow pencil and maybe move it out in this project pen and put it on my main project pen. I have the Kosas brow pencil on that project pen. I don't know yet when I'm going to finish that one, but I will let you guys know how this brow pencil will go on that project pen. So my plan right now is to put this one after using that Kosas brow pencil. So I did put a lot of words in here. Next product, it is the Colourpop Serum Blush in the shade Sour Cherry. Okay, I tried my best to put it up right now, and until now it is on that line. I did use this one for 2 times as of now, so I don't really kind of pressure myself, stress out myself to use this blush. But lately I like the Cheek Serum Blush from Colourpop because it's much easier for me to use a liquid cream blush compared to powder blush. But I like blushes, so either one. The next product I have in here, it is the Tower 28 SOS Face Spray. This one though, I did finish this one. I don't have anything in here. It turned out I did use this one for 10 times and it is now finally empty. But I'm going to keep the container because I'm going to use this one like to use on my, what do you call this, the Mario Badescu setting spray or this facial spray, and then apply it here so that I don't need to grab the whole bottle, big bottle. But I will purchase the bigger size of this product. I just chose another Sephora favorite set compared to the set that they have on this Sephora favorite set kinda. So if you guys wanted to know that set, I'm going to put it here, pop it out here. Last product I have in here, it is from Skin Proud. This is their Serious Shade Sunscreen. Why everyone put SSSS in their sunscreen? It's kind of hard for me to pronounce their brand or the product. It does have 50 SPF 50 here plus, and I did use this one for 7 times as of now, so I still have to keep this one. And I think I need to measure out right now. I have it here. I'm trying to finish as much of products I have in here so that it is like kind of my main goal to use most of the products I have in my collection. So that's why I have all of this project pen. Now I will share with you guys what other products I'm going to rolling out and rolling in. First, I'm going to roll out the bronzer, the Too Faced, because I did finally use it for 10 times. And then the next one, it is the L'Oreal Mercier loose powder, and then the Maybelline concealer, and then the Sculpting brow pencil from Shop Miss A. And then lastly, it is the Tower 28 SOS Facial Spray. Now, let's move on the products I'm going to rolling in. First, it is the Rare Beauty Mini Mascara in the shade Black. They only have black, so this one, I haven't used it a lot, but it's still good. So I'm going to put this one on this project pan, and hopefully by the time I use it 10 times, it will get dry, and then we can empty it, put it on my empty basket. The next one, it is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. I did put this one because usually I don't use this powder or mineral powder, so this is the time that I will let myself to use this powder. And I believe I did buy this one with the my powder, like foundation powder, with this one, and the primer, like a silicone primer with this. So now let's move on to this cup. It is Colourpop, but it is their sister brand. This is their Fort Ray Beauty. This is the Glisten Up Illuminating Mist. I did put this one last year on my project 10 uses also. That's why I still have the markings here. Right now, I do have it here, and I'm planning to finish all of the products here. So right now I can shake this up, and it does have a like kind of sparkly molecules or molecules of the on the product inside of this. So hopefully I can finish this one this year, so that it does have extra bottle to put my other products. The next one, it is from Shop Miss A. This is the Aqua Face Primer. I don't know how much product I have in here, but this is like kind of more of a hydrating primer for me, and I'm planning to finish this one because it's getting old. But for me, I wanted to finish most of my products now because I've been decluttering a lot of expired makeup. So right now I'm trying to finish most of them. And then the last one I have in here, it is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. I've got this one from my BoxyCharm because I wanted to try this one. So they sent this one with the other products I have from Tarte. So I don't like this one because whenever you click it, it gives you like extra kind of smooshy product, and it is kind of like wasting the product inside of this. Not like the Kaja Beauty the Kaja Beauty lip balm. It is like the same thing, but that one is thick in there. It is not like squishy soft like balm. This one, it is very soft. That's why I don't like this much. It is very hydrating, but I'm de-influencing this Maracuja Juicy Lip. I don't like it, but I need to use it once a lot because I paid for it. I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys did like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye.